if you are not able to speak simple English sentences, okay, then don't try to make any hard English or hard sentences in English, because everyone knows about simple language. Okay, what is simple language? For example, everyone have their own mother tongue. Okay, in that mother tongue they have very crucial word in that. Okay, but daily use we never use that crucial word. Okay, for example, I have I have background of Marathi, so my mother tongue is Marathi. Our native Marathi is a very different. Okay, what we are talking in Marathi, that were all simple word. We are not using complicated word, just uh, written in Marathi books. Okay, just we are using any simple sentences in Marathi, and there is a tuning in that Marathi. Everywhere you go in Maharashtra, you can find there is a different types of Marathi tone. Okay, I'm living in Pune now. Okay, so in this Pune you can see they are very proud on their Marathi, because they think that only Puneri can speak very fluent Marathi, or very, what we can say, that very neat and clean Marathi. Okay, so like that. So everyone have their mother tongue, and whenever we use our mother tongue, that time we never think talk to any crucial word in that our mother tongue. Okay, we can just express ourselves very simply way. So like that, if you are not able to speak any tough word, or any crucial word in English, then speak simple sentences, just like that I'm speaking to with you. Okay, so if you wake up early morning, that time make a sentence in your mind. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. So that is the thing. Whenever you start your routine, okay, or whenever you do your daily chores, that time you should make that sentences in your mind. Make a simple sentence. There is no need to make any tough sentences in your mind. Okay, because in the English there are so many word, they are very tough, and we cannot find the exact meaning of that word. Like that, I also face that problem whenever I read English newspaper. That time so many words in that English paper, I cannot get any meaning of that. But if you ask me, can you speak English whole day, morning 7 o'clock to night when I go to my bed, I just simply and confidently can tell you I can speak whole day in English. Okay, but there is no need to use any complicated word in our English. Okay, so whenever you wake up, whenever you start your daily chores, that time whatever you are doing in your home, or your office, or your working place, or your college, school, if you are student, okay, or if you are working person, so that time what you are doing, your daily activities, make that activities in English in your mind. Okay, but do not try to translate directly your mother tongue to in English. Okay, because there were so many problems in our mother tongue and English. Okay, because exact word we cannot identify in English as it is. Okay, there is so many words, and everyone have their problem. So think in English every time, whatever you want. There is no need to make any complicated sentences. Make very simple sentences. Okay, you can start with your daily routines. Okay, how you start your day? First of all, if you wake up early morning, so say to your mind, I wake up early morning at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, or 5 o'clock. Then what I do? I go to bath. Okay, whenever you tell your daily routine, that time you should use only simple present tense. Okay, it should be in a present sentence. Okay, simple present sentence in every sentences. Okay, for example, I wake up 6 a.m., then I go to bath. Okay, then I have a breakfast. Okay, then I have breakfast. You are getting everything. I'm just talking in simple present tense. Then I go to my college, I go to my school, I go to my office. Okay, then I have a work, then I have a lunch. Okay, and then I come back in my home. And then what I do? I go to walk at 7 p.m. Then I come back in my home and I have dinner. Okay, then I have a study, or I do study. Then 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. in the night, I go to bed. Okay, that all sentences should be in simple present tense. Okay, because simple present tense sentences is always should be in our routine. Okay, because you want to say general truth or universal truth or fact or your routine, that all should be in present, simple present tense. For example, sun rises in east. Okay, that is the universal truth. Okay, our solar system have 8 planet. That is a universal truth. Okay, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is a fact. Okay, and that fact, general truth, universal truth, and your daily routine, it should be in present, simple present tense. Okay, so please make your daily routine in your mind, and make sentence in your mind in simple present tense. Okay, so in next video we will talk uh, another topic, or how you can be fluent in English. Okay, bye.